I spoke at KTA Elementary School 5th grade graduating class. They presented me with this most precious thank you card. And the 5th grade teachers,
Thank you so much, Uncle Derek.
the faculty gave me this awesome tasting, amazing smoked meat. So welcome to the Man and the Pan. Today I'm going to do something really exciting. I'm going to make smoked pork with onions and cabbage. And the smoked pork is really good because I tasted it. It has a very good flavor. You actually don't have to put anything when you cook it with the cabbage. I cut the cabbage. You know, you got to make sure that when you cut the cabbage, you kind of cut it really thin, right? Because you want everything to be real fast. And also the onions. I cut the onions very thin. And the smoked meat. The smoked meat here, as you can see, is like super lean. There you go. I got the cabbage, I got the onions, and I got the smoked meat ready to go. Put on my stove, medium heat. Okay. Now you can use this recipe with any type of smoked meat, like you know, things that you find commercially, or you know, in the Big Island, everybody gives you like smoked meat, you know, all these hunters and stuff like that. And everyone have a really distinct, unique flavor. First smoked meat I'm gonna fry is gonna be with the cabbage. Okay, what I'm gonna do now first is I'm gonna put in some smoked meat. Okay? Before I start putting in all the ingredients, I'm gonna taste it. Okay, see how the smoked meat is. Oh wow! So what you want to happen is all the juice comes out of the smoked meat, the flavor, and it kind of like sticks to your pan. So when you throw in the cabbage and you move it over, it's gonna kind of like clean the pan for you, right? And it's gonna. Okay, when the thing gets really crispy, you know, and you can see it caramelizing all on the pan, then you grab your cabbage. You gotta put on some pepper. You can, you know, so I got like pepper with the cabbage, right? You don't want to overcook the cabbage. And just when you see all the flavor on the cabbage, it's done. Okay? Put it inside a dish. Just like this. Look at that. Bucket is ready. Okay? I'm just gonna wipe this pan. You see how easy it is? Everything gets really clean. Just like this, right? Now add the smoked meat to the pan to make my smoked meat and onions. Just like about here, when it's caramelizing, right? Dump in the onions. Okay? Dump in the raw onions. Again, if you want, you can put in, a lot of people like pepper, so I'm just going to dump in some pepper. Okay? Again, when the onions get all brown, you absorb all the flavor. Done. And there you go. Okay, and this side here is the smoked meat with onions, and this side here is a smoked meat with the cabbage. Okay? Smoked meat with cabbage right there. Look at that. Eh? Look at that. Oh. Oh. Wow. Smoked meat with onions. Oh. So simple, so honor. Again, we'll see you next week on another Man in the Pan. Thank you, KTA school teachers. Man, this is like an awesome dish. Aloha.